It's one of those nights when you drive right by your own street and you wonder who's running your hands and your feet, and your car becomes a capsule. Sometimes you can't hide. Last night I just needed to ride. I wanted to drive my car, didn't really care how far. I wanted to roll it long. Wanted to drive my car, didn't really care how far. Wanted to roll it long. I was not out looking for honeys. Oh, I noticed it was like usual, but not as strong. And the distance between me and my pavement seemed to get 100 yards long. I still feel the wind on my elbow, but I'm driving by the seat of my pants. Keep on trying to tune in on the radio, trying to tune me out of my trance. I needed to drive my car, didn't really care how far. I wanted to roll it long. Wanted to drive and roll it long. These cargoes, where you steer it, sometimes that's the only thing that does. So I get in it and I drive it just to hear it, and remember this feeling that the one